guys, what's going on? My name is Austin and welcome back to Capital Thrills, where today we are at Six Flags Great Ameirca in Gurnee, Illinois. Just taking a lap around the park, checking out all the rides and coasters. As you see right behind me, that's Raging Bull Great Ameirca Hybrid, which was the second, if memory serves me correct. The other one being Apollo's Chariot at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg in Virginia. Virginia. And like I said, we're just going around today, taking a look at all the coasters. This is our Six Flags home park. And you see here, I got my membership thing, if you can see that. There we go. So it allows us to get in here more freely. Now, as some of you might know, the membership thing is kind of flimsy right now, so it's out on the loops. But I don't know. It doesn't matter to me. Anyway, so we just did Raging Bull, and I gotta say, I think it is probably one of the better hypers. It has a very powerful first drop, and the rest of the layout is just very unique from the rest of the hypers, being one of the, if not the only one, to feature a twister layout, meaning it just kind of wraps around itself and doesn't really go out and back much, if that makes sense, like the other B&M hyper coasters. And this is just one of their flat ride things right here. And over here to our right, we have Demon, which is their little aero looping coaster, which I must say I'm a very big fan of as well. But it's no Shockwave. I regret not being able to ride Shockwave, but oh well. Superman is a fine, worthy replacement. But anyway, right now, like I said, we're just going to be taking a lap around the park. I think the next goal is to go over to American Eagle, which is their Intamin Woody, I believe that is back there, and take a lap on it, as it is a favorite of mine. It does provide some good airtime, even though it is getting a little bit shaky, but I guess we'll see you around over there. So just a little bit ago, we are currently walking over to American Eagle to check out, obviously, the racing engine back there as we walk underneath Demon. And I gotta say, it does have a really nice setup here, you know, with the double corkscrew thing and Aero Classic, you know. It even has some special sound effects and stuff to which I find really neat. We've also got X-Flight over here, which is the second wing coaster, I believe. The other one being Wild Eagle, which opened first at Dollywood. But of course, there's several others, but I gotta give the X-Flight the advantage over here, as I like the theme of being at a military base a lot better than just being a bird. So you give it credit for that. And I also like the variety of elements it does, including that wing over drop up there. In my opinion, if you're gonna have a good wing coaster, you gotta have that. Otherwise, it's just another looping coaster, in my opinion. But that's just me. As you can see, it's doing its diving up there. If it ever gets around. So I think that's really fun. Anyway, I guess we will see you over there in just a minute as we can continue walking around here, as American Eagle is kind of in the back of the park. So, along with Goliath, which is right back over there in the back. So I guess I'll see you over there. Like I said, I'm a very big fan of this ride. It may not be the longest, but it has some good elements and that kind of thing. And like I said, I love the theming. I mean, just look at that sign. Absolutely iconic. And I just see it has some very amazing near misses with this little hangar thing, quote unquote, down here. And the whole control tower thing. I think that's really awesome. Props to Six Flags for coming up with a creative idea for near misses back when they were cool anyway.
I don't fly. Is Six Flags over Georgia open all week?
Maybe I'd have to look. I'd have to
drive south when we go to I've got to decide.
Okay, so scratch that. We did in fact go on X Flight because I mean, who's gonna miss out on a beauty like this? I mean, I gotta give them credit. It does have a great looking layout and stuff like that. I kind of just wish it was a bit longer, and it is a bit shaky if you sit on the wing seats, but I think that's an overall wing coaster problem. But like I said, I promise we're now going back over to, remember we can't go back over there in the back, the big white wooden coaster. It could use a bit of an update, but all that Six Flags aside, all that. So, I guess I'll see you there in a bit, guys. So we got off on American Eagle, and I still like it. It's still not as rough as I expected. But I do think it needs a bit of touch-up every here and there, but I don't think it needs the whole arm-to treatment that people say it does. I think it's just fine the way it is. Now, unfortunately, we are heading to the train now as Goliath is unfortunately just too long for our liking. We rode it 2 times yesterday because it's actually our second day here, so we're skipping over it for now. Yeah, so that's all from today at Six Flags Great Ameirca. I know it was kind of a short video, but as I'm getting back into doing this whole vlogging thing and stuff again, I'm kind of adjusting some things, but don't worry, we did in fact ride everything. We did get on Superman and all that stuff back in there. So there will be a video of some kind with reviews and stuff, all that jazz coming up. Some point in the future, I've got a whole list of stuff I've got to get recorded and stuff like that. And it will get done at some point. But if you give any suggestions on what you would like to see first, I guess I will probably push those up to the front after my whole list of stuff to do. But I gotta say, I do enjoy this park very much. Having this as our Six Flags home base, I am okay with this. I just kind of wish, you know, they maintain a little bit better, but you know what, it's Six Flags, so I don't really care. They've got a really solid collection of roller coasters, but again, I don't really care. But anyway, I guess I will be seeing you later at some point in the future from whatever park I may be going to, as I'm kind of a bit of everywhere all the time, so they got that nice little sign up there. So anyway, it's been nice to take a tour of Six Flags Great Ameirca, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.